Alright, here we are at the world's largest McDonald's in Orlando, Florida, and we got an elevator ride. We got ThyssenKrupp Endura. Yeah, I'm sure this is MRL. Let's go to 2. Yep, this is Endura MRL. Going down. Oh, there you go. Alright, we'll do one more ride here. Sure lantern. Let's listen to the motor. Wow, that was a great motor. We got a cab here. It's a nice cab. We'll go back down. Here's your indicator. 2100 pound capacity. Not BS buttons. Actually needs to replace some Signa4 power buttons. The door open, that's a matte tool. 88 phone. That didn't sound good. I don't know what the heck was that noise. Here's the inspection certificate. Luckily, this thing's not very busy because sometimes when people film this, let's ring the bell here. Sometimes when people film this elevator, it gets busy sometimes, but luckily I got it mostly to myself. But I have to take someone down. All right, there it goes, and that'll be it.